Can't stop it.
I think this is
Oh, shit. It's August 3rd, 2019. 7:52 p.m. Just trying to start. Break yesterday. Oh, damn it. Just killing it. Ah. Damn it. So, this is been going on since 2015. I've fallen just common colorectal surgery. Thought I had cancer, I actually didn't. So it wasn't even that necessary of a surgery. And ever since then, it's just been miserable. This is torturing life. It's actually, the first year was just really aggressive, and I worked under that condition, and just a lot of choking spasms, hiccups, just constantly, and they just couldn't, after 10 months of dealing with it, they just couldn't deal with it anymore. And they knew this is going to be tough to deal with, but they said, we love you, but we just need you get this taken care of. It's disrupting your workflow and people around you, and nurses were, I mean, rightfully so. It's a very uncomfortable environment to be in when somebody's doing this, having severe choking spasms. I mean, just not a, and it's not good for the work environment, period. And it's sad because I've now probably lost my job over it. You know, it's been 3.5 years. I worked the first 10 months. From December till September 22nd, 2016, they asked me to get it taken care of. I figured by the end of the year I would be able to get it and back to work. That didn't happen. I've done a lot of things. I've had nerve blocks, several of them in my neck. I've had esophageal surgery where they went and put Botox into my stomach, sphincter muscle, all kinds of tests, 5 MRIs, some with contrast, so that's damaging my kidneys. I've taken probably every medication that's known to deal with hiccups, and nothing works. Recently, I guess not recently, last year, it just seems, everything just seems like yesterday when you're dealing with this. I started a opioid called Narco that actually helps the pain of this and makes it a little more tolerable. And then just a lot of everything, home remedies. Everybody's got an idea of how to resolve this, but nothing ever works. And you know, chiropractor seems to be helping a bit. There's some things we're doing there that are kind of off the chart things that I want to share yet because I want to see how they actually do. And doctors, physicians just abandon you, constantly abandoning you. I'm my second thoracic, my fourth gastroenterologist. I've had 3 neurosurgeons, neurologists. I had an ENT, speech therapist. I have gone to various types of therapies. Nothing's worked. So cut on your own. But chasing the cure kind of caught wind of this, and I did an interview last week over Skype to maybe be on the show. That's basically the only hope at this point, and so I'm just waiting to hear back on that. Kind of excited because I actually posted on there their Facebook page my condition in a video, and up to this point, I had only met one other person, not met, but actually over the phone, who had this for 8 years, but got a particular surgery and got it resolved, and 90% resolved for him, brain surgery. But I went to his same surgeon in Irvine, and it wasn't the right procedure for me, or the same culprit or issue that he was. I mean, we have the same hiccups, but it doesn't mean it's the same reason. It's somewhere in your body, in the nervous system, that it's just, that's what they don't know. They just don't know anything. Anyway, that kind of worked for him. Then, actually through posting, I met another person who actually responded to my post, and he's here in LA as well, and so we've been exchanging our experiences, and it's just really nice to be able to talk to somebody, because it's such a lonely process. It's just terrible to be under these circumstances, but it's just comforting to know you're not alone. But we're thinking about teaming us up together for the show, and because they did our interviews the same day, and we both haven't heard, so waiting and hoping. This is kind of our last resort, and it doesn't necessarily we don't necessarily need to be on the show. We just want to see their physicians. We just want this to stop, you know. It's just it's really difficult. It's really turned our life upside down here. Financially, it's just destroyed us. You know, there's a lot of debts involved. I mean, an MRI alone is several $1,000s, and the insurance doesn't cover all of it. So you got these bills just building, and after 5 MRIs alone, and every doctor's got his own price, $300, $500, $800 an hour. Still responsible for a piece of that. Just through life in general, everything you do revolves around this. You can't just go anywhere. You know, this just started up just now. Just me walking from the living room to the bedroom just to lay down and take a little rest, because that's the other thing. The stamina level is just ridiculous. I am a very active person, but I only get a few hours a day where I have energy, and then it's just kind of lose your stamina. Hey. This is my lifesaver here. My lifesaver. Keeps me alive.